I'm Prasanna Sreenivas, CEO and Managing Director of Skill INSTILL Technologies, a company which was founded in 2010 March, which is a technology as a service company. I come from a consulting and tech background, and I was solving business problems regularly. But when I realized there is a gap in leveraging AI and data-driven decision making, which is at a scale, and due to the rapid rise in generative AI, I just wanted to move beyond surface level understanding and really understand the core problem and design an intelligent end-to-end solution. This program actually have a very logical progression, starting from very Python fundamentals, moving into the mathematical ground, which we did in our plus 2 or college level, say statistical, data handling, and then supervised and unsupervised learning. So we have strong fundamentals before jumping into the advanced topics like deep learning or generative AI. When we speak about Babji Srinivasan sir, excellent faculty with enormous knowledge. He was very grounded, and he passed each and every question. He explained unless the particular person was clear.